don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know.
Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. So today, y'all, we are going to be making dinner. Yes, I'm cooking for a family of 5, and I'm gonna basically show y'all how to make this quick, simple, and easy recipe, and you ain't gotta spend a lot of coin for it. So the first thing you need, you need some steak. It could be any type of steak, you know what I'm saying? It could be chopped up, whatever. You need some cheese. Yeah, so now this is my seasonings that I use. You can use whatever seasonings that you want to use, whatever your preference is, but this is my preference, okay? So yeah, don't forget about your Sazon. Oh my God, if you already live in New York, you already know about the Sazon. So a lot of people, they make their empanadas, they this from scratch. I do not do that. I go to the store and I get mine. It's the Goya brand, and I also put the vegetables in it as well. And I'm lazy, so I wasn't cutting them up. Yeah. So boom, you need 2 pots, all right? One, put some little bit of oil in there. The other pot is for you to, do your steak and everything else. Do not drench your pan in oil. You're not frying chicken, okay? All you doing, you sauteing some peppers, you sauteing some steak and stuff like that. Do not fill this pan up like you frying chicken, because that's not what we doing. But yeah, so you want to put your steak into the pot. After you put your steak into the pot, you want to season it. This is self-explanatory. You can watch the seasonings that I'm using, the ones that I prefer to use, but I don't really have to explain this part. So yeah, you could just watch until we get to the next part.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady down is hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma stop.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho.
So after the steak is halfway cooked, I like to go ahead and throw my fajita veggies in. So this is basically onions, green peppers, and red peppers. I was too lazy to cut it up at home. And of course, I told y'all this is a quick and simple and easy recipe to make for you and your kids. So why would we be cutting onions and crying when we supposed to be cooking? You get my drift? Yeah. So go ahead and throw that minced garlic in. I love me some minced garlic. I don't even know how to pronounce it, so don't do too much. Mince, whatever. Garlic. Throw it up in there. Stir it up. You got the rest, baby girl. It's the flick of the wrist.
As that day comes, as I go, God, I watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
So once we let that cook and simmer up, we want to add our diced tomatoes in, which really it's rotel. So we want to add in our rotel because, diced tomatoes and rotel is 2 different things. I don't care what nobody say, it's 2 different things, okay? But yeah, you want to add that in, mix it up. Again, it's your preference, whatever you want to cook. You don't got to do steak. You could do chicken. You could do ground beef, ground turkey. You get my drift. But you already know, like I said, flick of the wrist, mix it up, cook it, make sure you put a top on it. Make sure you put that lid on it so it can simmer a little bit. Yeah, okay? So after about 5 minutes, this is how it's looking. Yes, it is done. It's ready to go on the empanada disc. I'm going to show y'all everything step by step. If it ain't making the camera fog up, you're not doing it right, baby girl. So I will be showing y'all different angles, but first we're going to start from the top. So you want to lay your disc down. You want to put some cheese on top of there. Then you want to put your steak on top. Now, after you put your steak, you want to top it off with a little bit more cheese. Please don't fill it to the brim because it will spill out once you're ready to, I don't even know what it's called, fork it, whatever. So then you use the plastic that it's on. Do not take the plastic off because you don't want your empanadas to stick together, okay? So you want to take the fork, you fork it, and you want to just push it down, seal up that empanada. I don't know how else to explain, but say fork it. But yeah, that's what you're doing. You're forking it, and then you want to flip it to the other side, and you want to do the same thing. It's a tedious process. You want to just keep repeating the same process until all your empanadas are finished, okay? Like I said, I'm going to show y'all different angles so y'all know exactly what I'm trying to explain, okay? Now, in this video, I am using 2 different color empanada discs. One is like an orangey color and one is like a beige color. I really don't know what the difference is because they both taste the same. Nothing tastes different or none of that. It don't be more crispy. It be the same. You know what I'm saying? So this is an up close and personal view. If you are a visual learner, then this part is for you.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
So we are finished, and now you see why I told you to leave the plastic on so it won't stick to the other ones, because they will stick and fall apart. So leave the plastic on, and now this is the next step. So you want to take some oil and you want to put it in the pan. You don't have to put a lot, you know what I'm saying? Just put a decent amount of oil. I don't know no measurements. I don't cook like that. I do it by the eye. So if you see, and then you know. Yeah, that's the best way I can explain it. As you can see, you have to clean as you go. So when you're done eating, you don't want to clean up no mess. So yeah, keep a clean kitchen so you can feel good when you're done feeding the kids, okay? So yeah, so we want to add this up into the pot. By this, I mean the empanadas. Add your empanadas into the oil. You do not want to cook it long, okay? You do not want to cook it long. I would say probably about 4 minutes on each side. You know, I flip it twice and twice. I cook it 2 minutes first, flip it, and then the next 2 minutes, flip it, and then I'll take it out. It be nice and crispy. Now, if you don't want your empanada to be golden brown and nice and crispy, you can go ahead and take it out now. But see, me and my kids, we like it golden brown, so we continue cooking it. So boom, when we flip it over again, do you see that nice golden brown color? That is the goal. That is what we're aiming for. It's cooked, it's well done. Oh my God, this is so good. Y'all need to try this. Like, it's affordable. You need to get it. It ain't that much money. I say probably about $20 max. $20 max for all the ingredients. But I ain't gonna lie, that steak, I don't know, that steak, the steak, But anyway, yeah. So this is the final results. Yes, the empanadas are done. They're ready to come out. So I'm going to take this batch out and I'm going to add another batch in. And you just continue to do that over and over and over until all your empanadas are done. Quick, easy, simple. Get it done. Try this meal and comment below and tell me what you think about it. Try it with some chicken. You can even try it with some salmon. Yeah, be different. That's what I like to do. Half these things I don't even be knowing how to cook. I just be being different, putting things together.
I don't want limit, I want enjoy, I want your life, I want find me through, I want beauties, I still want to know.
So tonight's dinner is finally done, and I love making this meal because we don't need to dirty no dishes. We just put it on a napkin. Yeah, we ain't got no dishes to wash tonight, sis. So I'm gonna give y'all 2 close-up versions because I want y'all to see exactly how it came out. I hope y'all love this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and leave the next video suggestion in the comments. Bye, beauties. See you in the next video.
We no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate.